Are you tired of generic one-line prompts? With those prompts, your AI assistants fail you time and time again. ChatGPT hallucinates way too much, or Claude doesn't exactly understand what you want. When I talk about AI at training sessions, I often hear people say that coming up with prompts on their own has become practically impossible. Even if they try to have the AI generate a prompt, they lack the background knowledge to give proper instructions in the first place. Today, I am going to change that. I have created a brain inside NotebookLM. It is trained on official prompt writing guides from OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, and other companies. It generates text, image, audio, and video prompts without making a single mistake. These prompts produce super efficient results. Plus, I'm going to teach you how to set it up in less than 5 minutes so you can get professional, ultra-precise results. Before we jump into the video, I spent a lot of time researching and figuring out these workflows. If you appreciate that, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. All right, let's get into it. I have NotebookLM open. Let's open a new notebook. We need to add some sources here. One of the problems we run into when searching for sources is that generally when we use the search engine, it finds endless amounts of resources. Most of them might be low quality and completely useless to us. So what I've done is simply manual work. I spent a few hours searching for reliable sources from the official platforms of each AI. I have collected all the official prompt writing guides. We will now add those files. Click on Add Sources. Now click on Websites. As you can see, I have a link to all the official prompting guides. You will find the link to this page in the video description. I will copy the sources, then paste them here. I will add them. As you can see on the left, NotebookLM has added all the prompting guides as sources. They are super reliable because they come from official sources. Now, the next step is giving the notebook a brain. We need to give it instructions so that it works perfectly. To do this, click on this Configure button. Here, we need to set it to Custom. Under Response Length, we will choose Short. We want it to be fast and concise. We don't want it to ramble. Now we need instructions for this prompting machine. I will copy this one. Then paste here. Now I will save. Our notebook is ready. Let's greet it. It's not necessary, but you can see the workflow. I will say hello. It responds and asks us a few questions about what kind of prompt we want to create. Let's answer. I will use Claude. I need a text prompt. The ultimate goal is for it to conduct a research study on the current state of sodium-ion battery technology. Plus, when it finishes, I want it to create a fully structured, high-quality PDF. Let's hit send. Seconds later, it has given us our prompt. I will copy it. If we had to write all of this by hand, it would have taken so long. Because who knows all the formats used by each AI model? This notebook solves that problem for us. Okay, let's head over to Claude. I will paste the entire prompt and click send. Wait a few minutes. As you can see, it follows the instructions from the NotebookLM prompt to the letter. We have a superb, well-structured PDF with a huge amount of information. If I used Sonnet or Opus instead of Haiku, the research and PDF would have been even better. Quick pause. If you're watching this channel, you're clearly someone who wants to actually use AI, not just learn about it. So I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a free pack of more than 150 expert-built prompts and AI skills. It covers strategy, marketing, sales, content, and operations. The link is in the description down below. These aren't generic AI prompts you find on social media. Every single one is built from proven business frameworks and best-selling books. I read through over 60 business books and built these prompts from those ideas. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're essentially starting from decades of business knowledge. If you've ever typed a prompt, got a mediocre answer, and spent an hour fixing it, this is what fixes that problem. It's completely free. Link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. Now let's look at another use case. Image generation. Here I advise you one thing. Every time you want to create a new prompt, reset the chat. But first, if you want to save all this information of this prompt, you just have to come to this part here. Click this. As you can see, this prompt gets saved as a note. You can revisit it later. Now to reset this chat, click these three dots. Click Delete Chat History. Now I will say, hello, I want to generate an image. It is asking us questions about the prompt. I will answer. I will use Nano Banana to generate the image. What I want is a luxury vintage travel poster illustration inspired by the golden age of exploration. Now I will hit send. Seconds later, we get this response. The platform, the prompt type, the focus axis, and the optimized prompt. Perfect. I will copy the full prompt. Now let's go to Google Flow. I will create a new project. Choose image. The model is Nano Banana Pro. I will choose this size. Now paste the prompt and hit enter. Now let's see what it generates for us. We have got 4 high-quality cinematic images. Don't these look great? We got 4 high-quality, perfectly structured images. If you want to change something about the prompt, you can just ask NotebookLM and it will change it. You've now seen how simple it is to create a prompting machine. This will save you quite a bit of time and headache of writing new prompts. A lot of people see things like this and just go, oh, that's cool, and end up never actually trying it out. Many people want to know everything AI can do, but endless evaluation gets you nowhere unless you actually start using it. Think about it. If you're trying to use AI to save time, but spend all your time just studying AI without applying it, isn't that completely putting the cart before the horse? Delaying action while saying, I'll do it eventually means months slip by. So spend 5 minutes right now to create your own prompting machine. Your future self will thank you. If you want to go deeper and get even more out of AI for your business, I've got another video you'll love. Check it out right here.